Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to enable dark mode on the Webtoon app. Dark mode is a popular feature that reduces eye strain, saves battery on devices with OLED screens, and provides a comfortable reading experience during nighttime. First, open the Webtoon app on your device. Next, go to the profile icon located at the bottom right. Then, tap the three dots at the top right. After that, click on Settings to enter the customization menu. Within the Settings menu, you will see an option labeled Display. Click on Display, and you will be presented with several theme choices. Finally, select Dark Theme from the list. Once selected, the app will immediately switch to dark mode, giving your screen a darker and more comfortable look for reading comics. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.